Hi, I'm Marshall. In this video, I want to teach you how to read Japanese sentences using N5 Reading Test 4. 3 steps to read Japanese sentences. Step 1 is to find out all particles, and step 2 is to find out all grammar rules, and step 3 is to find out all words. You can pause here and try to answer this question yourself. I will explain everything later.今朝私は学校へ行く前に何を食べましたか Wa indicates the topic of this sentence, so watashi is the topic. He indicates direction. Mai here is grammar rule. I will explain in step 2. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. Ka indicates a question. And step 2 is to find out the grammar rules. Dictionary form of verb plus mai means before doing. And step 3, find out the words. Kesa means this morning. Watashi means I. Gakko means school. Iku means to go. Nani means what. Tabemashita is the past tense form of tabemasu. Tabemasu is the platform of taberu, and taberu means to eat. So, 今朝私は学校へ行く前に何を食べましたか means what did I eat before going to school this morning? ご飯と納豆を食べました。I ate rice and natto. To indicates a complete list of items, means and. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. Since there are no grammar rules here, so you can skip step 2. And step 3. Gohan means rice. Natto means natto. Tabemashita is the past tense form of tabemasu, and tabemasu is the platform of taberu. And taberu means to eat. パンと卵を食べました。I ate bread and eggs. To indicates a complete list of items, means and. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. And step 3. パン means bread. Tamago means egg. 食べました is the past tense form of 食べます。食べます is the platform of 食べる, and 食べる means to eat. 何も食べませんでした。I ate nothing. Mo can be used with an interrogative word to mean nothing, nobody, nowhere, etc. Nanimo here means nothing. Find out the grammar rules. Since there are no grammar rules here, we can skip step 2 and step 3. 食べませんでした is the negative past tense form of 食べます。食べます is the platform of 食べる, and 食べる means to eat. So how to change a platform of a verb to negative past tense form? Just change ます to ませんでした。バナナを食べました。I ate banana. Word indicates the direct object of verb, and banana means banana. 食べました is the past tense form of 食べます。食べます is the platform of 食べる, and 食べる means to eat. 私は毎朝ご飯と納豆かパンと卵を食べて学校へ行きます。Wa indicates the topic of this sentence, so watashi is the topic. To, both the first to and the second to, indicates a complete list of items, means and. Ka indicates a choice or alternative. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. He indicates direction. Let's see the grammar rules. 卵を食べて学校へ行きます。て You can use the te form of verb when you refer to a number of actions consecutively. You can also use it to say things in a chronological order. Watashi means I. 毎朝 means every morning. Gohan means rice. Natto means natto. Pan means bread. Tamago means egg. 食べて is a te form of 食べる, and 食べる means to eat. 学校 means school. 行きます is the platform of 行く, and 行く means to go. So, 私は毎朝ご飯と納豆かパンと卵を食べて学校へ行きます。 means every morning I eat rice and natto or bread and eggs and then go to school. でも、今朝は何も食べませんでした。What indicates the topic of this sentence, so 今朝 is the topic. も can be used with an interrogative word to mean nothing, nobody, nowhere, etc. So 何も食べませんでした means ate nothing. And でも means but. 今朝 means this morning. 食べませんでした is a negative past tense form of 食べます and 食べます is a platform of 食べる and 食べる means to eat. So でも今朝は何も食べませんでした But I didn't eat anything this morning. バナナを学校へ持って行きました I brought a banana to school. を indicates the direct object of verb. へ indicates direction. て行く、て行きます is used to indicate that the speaker will move after the action. In this case, after holding the banana, the speaker went to school, so it is translated as to bring. Banana means banana. 学校 means school. 持って is the te form of 持つ and 持つ means to hold. So, バナナを学校へ持って行きました means I brought a banana to school. 起きた時間が遅かったからです。が is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when it is emphasized. から indicates the reason. 起きた is a past tense form of 起きる and 起きる means to wake up. 時間 means time. 遅かった is the past tense form of 遅い and 遅い means late. And verb can be used to describe not. So 起きた時間 means the time I woke up. So 起きた時間が遅かったからです means it's because I woke up late. So do you know the answer now? The answer is 3. Why? Because you can say 今朝は何も食べませんでした. So the answer is 3. Thank you.